Here we have a 2017 67 plate BMW 420d M Sport GRAN Coupe. Now with this vehicle you do get 4 19-inch alloy wheels in excellent unmarked, unscratched condition, as you can see just here, complemented by the blue M Sport calipers just behind. The vehicle itself is finished in a carbon black metallic exterior paintwork. We've got the full M Performance kit on this vehicle, including the front splitter and side skirts. You can see just there, there's some more bits at the rear as well, which we'll get to shortly. We've got the black kidney grills, these fantastic headlights. Coming around to this corner, we've got our second alloy wheel, again unmarked and unscratched. We've got some M Sports badging with the black accents. We've got the colour coded wing mirrors and door handles, black trim around the windows with the privacy glass for the rear passengers, shark fin antenna on top. We've got some GRAN Coupe badging just there, and here's a look at our third alloy wheel. Now as we come to the rear, we do have this black spoiler, you can see just there, which looks fantastic. We do have both front and rear parking sensors with visual display inside. Dual exhaust tips on the bottom left corner, just there. We'll open up the boot for you as well. Power assisted, so it'll open up for us like so. Great amount of space in here, as you can see. Storage net on the right, 12-volt connectivity on the left. And with it being power assisted, we can actually just press this button and it'll close down for us like so. Now as you can see, the vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches, and here's a closer look at that last alloy wheel. Now if we go onto the interior, we'll start at the back. We have got a full black Dakota leather interior throughout, as you can see just there. We've got the fold down armrest in the middle, ISO fixed points within these seats. In the middle we've got our vents as well as the 12-volt connectivity, storage nets behind the front passengers. On the doors we've got our integrated speakers, we've got plenty of leather, electric windows, brushed metal handle and the storage down below. Going into the front, we've got that same full black Dakota leather interior. How fantastic do these seats look. These seats are actually memory and electrically adjustable memory seats, so we can adjust them with these buttons just here and set our favourite positions to those numbers. On the doors we've got our premium uprated Harman Kardon sound system, which sounds absolutely superb. We've got this gloss black trim, electric power folding windows with electric power folding wing mirrors with electric windows, child lock for the rear windows and additional storage down below. If we step inside, we've got our auto lights on the right. We'll start the vehicle up, foot on the brake, start button just there, and we are away. Now we'll just wait for that to load up. As you can see, we have covered just over 57,000 miles, and we are free from any warning lights on the dashboard there as well. We've then got our multifunctional steering wheel with things like speed limiter and cruise control. Just turn down these vents. Speed limiter and cruise control, as well as phone controls and volume controls. Paddle shifters just behind for taking manual control of the gears. We've got our auto wiper stalk on the right, auto high beam assist on the left. Coming into the middle, we've got our infotainment screen. You can see navigation is on display at the moment. We've then got different forms of media connectivity. As you can see just here, we've got things like DAB, FM and AM radio, music collection, CD/DVD, Bluetooth audio and USB. Going down, we've then got our phone connectivity, so we can connect our phone via Bluetooth to make calls or listen to music. Now, we've got different driving modes with this as well. We've got things like Eco Pro, Comfort, Sport and Sport Plus, so you can pick which one of these modes best suits your driving style at the time. Go into reverse and you'll see we do have a visual display of front and rear sensors just there as well. Now, moving down, we've got our stereo controls with traffic alerts on the left. We've got our dual climate zone controls, so we can control each side of the vehicle's temperature independently with convenient shortcuts like max air conditioning, just there. We've got heated seats for both front passengers as well, which work exactly how you would expect. Coming down, we've got another USB slot for connecting your mobile devices. We've got some additional storage underneath here, 2 good sized cup holders, as well as 12-volt connectivity. We've then got our gear stick. If you're not familiar with these, we've got park, reverse, neutral, drive, and then if we flick it across to the left, that'll put us into sport mode, and we can actually go down or up a gear like so. So we can actually take manual control of the gears with either the gear stick or the paddle shifters, whichever you're more comfortable with. Now back into park, we've then got traction control, our mode select, button for our parking sensors. We've also got our control wheel and touchpad, as well as the shortcuts for the infotainment screen, which is what I've been using to navigate the display during this demonstration. We've then got our soft touch leather armrest, which will actually slide for us as well. Lift that up, you'll find we've got wireless charging as well as another USB port just there. Now the vehicle is ready to drive away today with free next day nationwide contactless delivery, competitive low finance, a fresh service, fresh MOT, and it's also HPI clear. That's all from me in this video. Thank you for watching. Video test drive for this BMW 420D. Now the purpose of this video today is to show you that the car drives exactly how you would expect it to. For example, now I'm not having to wrestle with the steering wheel to keep the vehicle in a straight line. I'll also go through some of the vehicle's features and demonstrate that they work exactly how they should. Starting off on the steering wheel here, we have got both speed limiter and cruise control. To activate cruise control, I'll press the button, press up on the trigger, and I'm now cruising at my current speed. Very easy to adjust the speed on this as well with the trigger just there. And when we want to cancel, we can either apply pressure to the brakes or press this button just here. We've then got our gear changes. So I'm currently in 7th gear, down to 6th, down to 5th, down to 4th, back into 5th, back into 6th, and 7th. And as you can tell through those gear changes, completely seamless transitions, no jerky motions at all, no unwanted sounds, all working exactly how you would expect. Now we are slowly approaching the roundabout where I'll be taking a left turn, but it's definitely worth mentioning how comfortable this vehicle is. We've got the full leather interior with the heated front seats as well as electrically adjustable front seats. We've then got our premium uprated Harman Kardon sound system, which sounds absolutely fantastic, and of course we've got all of the modern amenities on the infotainment screen that we would desire as well. Now here at RS Car Sales, we have been doing deliveries for the last 3 to 4 years, as well as free next day nationwide deliveries for the last year and a half as well. So although the COVID-19 situation has had a huge impact on many businesses, and still is doing to this day, we feel like we're quite well prepared. So we have adjusted our deliveries ever so slightly to make them contactless. And what this means is we'll sanitize our hands, we'll sanitize the keys, and we'll just do an extra thorough clean of the vehicle before delivering it to yourself, just to ensure your safety and our own. Now we are a 5-star dealership as well here at RS Car Sales. If you look online, we've got over 300 5-star reviews on Google and Autotrader alone, as well as many others on other sites like Car Gurus. So if you go online, check out these reviews, you'll see that our customers really do reiterate the fact that we are a dealership that cares. We really do want you to have such a good buying experience from ourselves that you would recommend us to your friends, to your family, and even come back to us when the time is due for your next vehicle purchase. Now you can find us on social media as well. We are on both Instagram and Facebook, so make sure to follow us on those platforms to keep up to date with all the latest stock we get in. I'm about to take a right turn into the industrial park where I'll perform an emergency brake and also demonstrate reverse works as it should. So 3, 2, 1. There we go. Very sharp on the brakes just there. Straight into reverse. We've got our visual display of front and rear parking sensors there as well, all working exactly how you would expect. So this is usually where you'd be extremely happy with the vehicle. You'd want to come inside, see what kind of deal you could work out. Obviously you're not here at the moment, but do feel free to get in touch. Appointments are welcome if you'd wish to come and view the vehicle in person. Part exchanges are also welcome. Just let us know the make, model and condition of the vehicle you're wishing to part exchange, and if there is anything we have missed in either the online photos, video walk around or this test drive, again feel free to get in touch and one of the team would be more than happy to help you out. That's all from me on this video. I hope you found it useful and we'll hopefully hear from you soon. Cheers.